So let's answer another question coming from J. Croy Calvario of Holy Cross College, Nueva Ecija. So ang tanong niya, yung marijuana or the cannabis sativa L, lima or linayo? So ang tanong niya, L stands for lima ba or linayo? So i-simplify natin para pagdating sa board exam, hindi na kayo magkakamali kasi ito yung very common question pagdating sa drug education and vice control. Marami pa rin nagkakamali ko. Of course, I'm not discrediting yung naituro sa inyo, but of course, pagdating sa board exam, ganito yon. Okay, simplify natin. Yung L dyan, sa cannabis sativa L, that is actually, diba, the scientific name for marijuana. So yung L, hindi po lima ang sagot dyan. Kasi diba, mostly nakasanayan ninyo ang sagot ninyo lima kasi 5 fingers daw, diba? Again, sabi niyo 5 fingers, that is wrong. Okay, hindi yan yung basis natin. Ang cannabis sativa L, rather, yung L, that stands for linayos. So that is L-I-N-N-A-E-O-U-S. So that is linayos. Kasi yung linayos na word that was credited before Carl Linnaeus, he is a Swedish botanist who discovered the plant na marijuana. Again, yung cannabis sativa L, yung L dyan, that stands for Linnaeus kasi that was credited before him. Again, si Carl Linnaeus, siya ay isang Swedish botanist na nakadiscover sa plant na marijuana. So wag niyong sabihin or wag niyong isagot yung lima na 5 fingers. Yun lang yung explanation that is very surface or masyadong mababaw. So ang samang sagot dyan, that is Linnaeus. That is L-I-N-N-A-E-U-S. Okay? Cannabis sativa Linnaeus or Lin, di ba? So yan yung palagi nating isasagot doon. Again, wag yung isagot yung lima kasi hindi yan 5 fingers. So of course 5 fingers yung palaging ini-explain sa inyo or alam niyo. But then again, the technical or the scientific explanation dyan is yung kay Linnaeus. Again, it was credited before Carl Linnaeus. Again, he is a Swedish botanist na nakadiscovered sa plant na marijuana. Again, dapat kapag napanood nyo to, i-share nyo para matapos na yung debate dito, yung discussion. Kasi pagdating sa board exam, kapag lima yung isasagot mo, nanganganib ang buhay mo. Okay, ang sagot natin dyan, that is Linnaeus.